What's up, guys? Welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the recording of the installation of the three-stage intake manifold and the AA headers for my N52 engine, my BMW 328i. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take the Simon 3 cable, which I showed you in the previous video. So you take this Simon 3 cable, you plug it into the car computer, and what you do is you download the existing program and settings that are in the computer onto your hard drive. So what you do is you record that, you save it, and then you send that to Active AutoWorks or wherever you're getting the tune, and from there they kind of make certain adjustments to the engine for the tune to work. Then the next step is the removal of the catalytic converter here on the left. So that's the catalytic converter next to the headers. That's called the cat delete. And then here's a video of what what that engine bay looks like once you remove the cat headers or the catalytic converter. This showing you several different angles, but ultimately, like, what's going to happen here is they're going to install the AA headers in some of these openings that you can see here. And in order to do that, the engine actually has to be lifted. So this machine that you see here, that's sort of lifting the engine up. And so you lift the engine up, you remove the catalytic converter, and then you install the AA headers there. And you also have to lift the engine if you're replacing the oil pan gasket as well. So that's basically what the engine looks like with the catalytic converters removed and the AA headers not having been installed yet. So here in just a little bit, you're going to see a video showing you what it looks like with the headers installed. All right, so in this shot, you see the headers after they have been installed. So the catalytic converters were removed, the AA headers were installed, and what you're going to see here are different shots of those two AA headers that you saw in the previous video after they have been installed within the engine. So that's one side, and I'll let you kind of take a look at that. And then here's the AA headers on the other side. So one port goes on one side, the other one goes on the other, and this close-up video shows you what it looks like once they're installed. All right, so once the AA headers are installed and the engine returned, then the intake manifold's removed. So what you see here is a video of the engine with the single-stage intake manifold that comes with the N52 engine being removed. So once you remove that manifold, here's what the engine looks like, and in that spot they're going to be installing the three-stage intake manifold, which you're going to be seeing shortly in this video. So there they are, the single-stage intake manifold and the three-stage intake manifold next to each other. The cleaner one is the three-stage intake manifold. And if you look closely, you can actually see the DISA valves on the three-stage intake manifold, which you don't have on the single-stage intake manifold. So that's the two parts next to each other. And here's a couple more pictures of the single-stage intake manifold and the three-stage intake manifold next to each other. All right, and then here's in this video you see the three-stage intake manifold after it's been installed. So you can see the DISA valves in this shot. Everything's been put back in place. It's a straight bolt-on. Like I said, this is what the N51 engine that was in the BMW 330i. That's kind of what it looked like. So here's some close-up views of the three-stage intake manifold after it has been installed into place of the single-stage intake manifold. I think you see the headers there as well. See, on the left-hand side, there's the headers. Here's the underside of the engine. I think you still see the headers there. Another view of the headers. And then again, another shot of the 3-stage intake manifold being installed, and kind of what the car looks like now with the hood up. So after you've done all that, then the final step is to get the tune. Use that Simon 3 cable to install the tune into the computer, so that the car computer recognizes that there are headers and intake manifold there, and then that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.